Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing us how to use these 3 DIY products. First off, you need the black soap. I don't even remember this our viral black soap. You can check the link afterwards. First off, we'll be washing our face or your body. Have a bath, wash your body first of all before the next thing that we'll be doing. So it's basically wash, wash, wash. You need to wash first because you want to take off the dirt on your face before we do the actual scrub. So here is just washing. So if you're doing a full body scrub or you're going to have your bath, wash your body first before using the next product. Full body and face scrub. You can also check the video of how to make this full body and face scrub. The ingredients are lemon, oats, sugar, honey, coconut oil in this scrub. So after washing our face, the next thing is to apply the scrub, to use the scrub on our face. Now what the scrub does is to take out the dead cells on your skin. So if you're doing a full body scrub, you're scrubbing other parts of your body for the sake of um, to make this video very short, we're just going to focus on the face. So when you're doing your body scrub, you go ahead in circular motions around the places that you want to remove the dead cells, your legs, your elbows, knee, and all of that. And then what I'll say in that video is use putting coconut oil, more coconut oil in your mixture will help the ease, it won't be too harsh. This is giving Instagram filter, sorry, Snapchat filter. So here I'm just scrubbing the back of my palm. That's the most I can show you now in scrubbing your body. You scrub, and it's not that difficult. So you can also go ahead with this palm sponge. It's also used for exfoliation, but it will help also with the sugar scrub. It will help, take it out the more. Next is that you rinse your face with warm water. Rinse your face with warm water, Warm water will open your pores, and then rinse out what the scrub has removed already from your face. So while your pore is open, you need it to be open so that you can apply your serum, your face oil. I was just checking if it was stained because of the turmeric in the scrub. Next we'll be using is our lemon zest oil. You can see it here. The video is also on my YouTube channel. It's super easy. Now this will help with your brightness. Your pores are open. It's just for the vitamin C to go deep down inside of your skin and help with the glow that you're looking out for. So what you just do is to massage it, deeply massage it in your face, massage your face. After washing, scrubbing, your skin is probably dry. So you need it to be oily, to be moist, to be hydrated, and this glow oil is going to give you exactly what you're looking out for. At this juncture, these are the 3 products that we have used, all DIY, organic. You can check my channel on how to make it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like the video if it's helpful.